umshado sobabili into esiyaziyo from abazali bethu. Into engekho foreign noma ngabe kuthiwa iJenesis iqala sobabili. I-recipe yethu inama ingredients ethu. Kodwa ukwakha ikhekhe idinga uflour, baking powder, irama, ubisi. Sizodecide ukuthi siyawufaka ucinnamon nama cloves njalo njalo.
Ukuba ngikuthanda impilo njengoba ngikuthanda nje futhi akukho kuzoshintsha ngoba ngiyayazi warmth ayilethayo impilo kumuntu.
Watching your dedication, hard work and passion has been a source of inspiration. So on this special day, I wanted to take the opportunity to congratulate you and hubby dearest.
And the woman that you've got today is a Proverbs 31 type of woman. So she's a woman who's devoted to God and lives a life that exemplifies God in every way. Umpilo fears God. She is wise. She speaks with wisdom and makes decisions based on God's guidance.
As you start your new journey together, remember Proverbs chapter 3 verse 3, Oti. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on your tablet of your heart.
Ngibonga ukubekezela. Niyabona ukuthi othandweni hayi ukuthi kubekezela wesifazane kuphela. Nowesilisa uyabekezela uma emthanda umuntu wakhe. Ndeno kaMsoya ngicela ningigadele kahle ingane yami. Ngicela ningiphathele kahle yona for my sake. For umfelokazi. For umfelokazi. Manikhumbule